Hi friends, welcome to DM classes. Today we will start with practice set 7.2. Now data collection. The information that we collect about a particular group is mostly of a numerical nature called data. Each of the number in the data is called a score. There are two types of data. First primary data, second secondary data. Now, primary data. When an investigator collects information personally by asking questions, taking measurements, etc., is called primary data. फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल अगर किसी टीचर को स्टूडेंट का रिकॉर्ड चाहिए और टीचर डायरेक्ट स्टूडेंट से रिकॉर्ड ले लेती है तो वो प्राइमरी डेटा कहलाता है. Second, secondary data. In some situations, the data which is already collected by other agency or official data published or available is used. Such data is called secondary data. फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल अगर स्कूल ऑफिस में स्टूडेंट का रिकॉर्ड चाहिए और टीचर स्टूडेंट से रिकॉर्ड लेकर ऑफिस में देती तो वो हो जाता है सेकेंडरी डेटा. मतलब ऑफिस से डायरेक्ट स्टूडेंट से रिकॉर्ड कलेक्ट नहीं किया गया, किसी एक एजेंसी के थ्रू या टीचर्स के थ्रू कलेक्ट किया गया तो वो सेकेंडरी डेटा हो जाता है. नाउ डिफरेंस बिटवीन प्राइमरी एंड सेकेंडरी डेटा. In primary data it requires more time. In secondary data it is already available so needs less time. Second, in primary data it is up to date and detailed information. In secondary data it is taken from already collected data. It is not necessarily up to date. It may lack in details also. Third, in primary data it is correct and reliable. In secondary data it may be less reliable. Now, practice set 7.2. Question number first. Classify following informations as primary or secondary data. First, information of attendance of every student collected by visiting every class in a school. Answer: it is primary data. Second, the information of heights of a student was gathered from school records and sent to the head office as it was to be sent urgently. यहाँ स्कूल रिकॉर्ड से स्टूडेंट की हाइट्स का रिकॉर्ड कलेक्ट करके हेड ऑफिस सेंड किया जा रहा है. मतलब हेड ऑफिस से डायरेक्ट स्टूडेंट से इंफॉर्मेशन कलेक्ट नहीं किया जा रहा है तो ये हो जाएगा सेकेंडरी डेटा. आंसर: इट इज़ सेकेंडरी डेटा. थर्ड, in the village Nandpur, the information collected from every house regarding students not attending school. Answer: it is primary data. Fourth, for science project information of trees gathered by visiting a forest. Answer: it is primary data. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.